Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Patch Repair Kit is probably one of the most essential things to have if you own a bounce house. Whether it's a small tear from rough play or a puncture from an unexpected object, these kits are designed to quickly and effectively fix the damage, ensuring your inflatable stays safe and ready for fun. They are easy to use and can save you from having to replace the entire bounce house. Number 5. Better Boat 30-Foot Fabric Repair Tape. Is your awning, tent, or boat cover torn? This heavy-duty tape is the perfect solution. It's designed to quickly and effectively repair tears and rips in various fabrics. This tape creates a waterproof patch that can withstand the elements. It's ideal for outdoor use, ensuring your repairs last, whether it's on a tent or an air mattress. This clear fabric tape is both durable and flexible, allowing it to move with the material. It's easy to apply and a great addition to any emergency kit for quick repairs. This versatile tape adheres to various materials, including vinyl, tarpaulin, and leather. Its clear design allows it to blend seamlessly with the material, making repairs less noticeable. Better Boat is a family-owned American business. We are committed to providing premium quality accessories. We stand behind this product, ensuring your satisfaction with this fabric repair solution. What we like. This repair tape is incredibly heavy-duty, ensuring a long-lasting fix for your gear. It's also completely waterproof, providing reliable protection against the elements. Moreover, it's versatile and can be used on various materials. If you have a tear in your awning or tent, this is the perfect solution. It's easy to apply and will keep you covered. What people say. Worked well to repair rips in awning, very sticky. Thick, rugged, and quite sticky. It sealed the rips in my canvas lawn chair with ease and tenacity. Very high quality. Adheres well to outdoor furniture covers. Number 4. PVC Stitch Heavy-Duty Repair Kit. This heavy-duty repair kit is perfect for fixing air mattresses, pools, hot tubs, and more. It's a durable solution designed to provide a permanent patch, ensuring your items are ready to use again. First, deflate and clean the damaged area. Then, apply the liquid PVC sealant evenly. It dries to form a strong, water-resistant seal in just a few hours. Forget about needing extra patches. This kit is all you need for pinholes, small tears, and seams. The sealant creates a durable bond without the need for additional materials. PVC stitch is designed for the outdoors. It's water-resistant, UV-resistant, and can withstand both heat and cold. This ensures the repair lasts, no matter the conditions. Use it on inflatable boats, air mattresses, pool liners, and more. It's also great for backpacks, waders, and PVC pipes. This kit is your go-to solution for various repairs. Each kit includes a tube of sealant and a PVC mesh cord for reinforcement. Store it at room temperature, and it has a shelf life of 2 years. Keep in mind, it's not for nylon-based materials. What we like. This kit uses liquid PVC for a permanent, durable patch. It's designed to be water-resistant and withstand various conditions. It also comes with a reinforcing mesh cord for added strength. If you're dealing with a significant tear in your inflatable, this kit with the mesh cord will provide the robust repair you need. What people say. The patches are easy to apply and seem to hold up well. The kit includes everything you need for repairs. The patches are a good size and cover the holes effectively. Number 3. PVC Stitch, Heavy-Duty Inflatable Repair Kit. This is a heavy-duty repair kit designed for inflatable products. It's perfect for fixing air mattresses, inflatable boats, and more. This product provides a durable and waterproof seal. To use, simply deflate your inflatable and clean the damaged area. Apply the sealant evenly, ensuring complete coverage. It's ready to use in just a few hours. PVC Stitch works on a variety of materials, including PVC and PU. It's ideal for repairing inflatable boats, rafts, kayaks, and even hot tubs. This product offers a reliable solution for various needs. This sealant is water-resistant, UV-resistant, and can withstand both heat and cold. It's designed for outdoor and water gear, providing long-lasting repairs. Its durability makes it a great choice. PVC stitch offers high adhesion and is easy to handle. It comes in a 20 ml tube with a shelf life of 2 years. This transparent sealant provides a strong and lasting repair. What we like. This product also uses liquid PVC for a permanent repair. It's incredibly easy to use, with a fast cure time. It's also water resistant and suitable for various outdoor gear. If you're looking for a quick and easy fix for your inflatable, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for on-the-go repairs. What people say. It worked like a charm. Easy to use, but follow the directions exactly. Easy to use and only takes a couple hours to fix a float or tube. Number 2. TPU Pool Patch Repair Kit for Inflatables. Having trouble with a leaky inflatable? This repair kit offers a quick and easy solution for patching holes and tears. It's a simple peel and stick process, saving you money and time. Made from high-strength TPU material, this patch is waterproof, heat-resistant, and incredibly strong. It's transparent and built to last, providing a reliable fix. This kit is perfect for a variety of inflatables, including swimming pools, bounce houses, air mattresses, and more. It can also repair tents, canvas, and vinyl furniture, offering versatile use. Simply clean and dry the damaged area, then apply the patch and press firmly. It's that easy to get a secure and lasting repair. The kit includes a 3-inch by 7-foot roll of TPU patches, giving you plenty of material for multiple repairs. This ensures you have what you need to fix various items. What we like. This kit uses TPU material, known for its durability and waterproof properties. It's incredibly easy to apply, with a simple peel and stick method. It's also suitable for a wide range of inflatables. If you're looking for a simple, yet effective solution for your pool floats or air mattresses, this is the one for you. What people say. This tape worked exactly as described. We could roll out the size needed and reinflate. It works like a charm underwater. Number 1. AquaPro Waterproof Repair Kit. Introducing AquaPro, the ultimate repair kit for your inflatable gear. This kit is designed to quickly and effectively fix punctures and tears, so you can get back to enjoying the water. AquaPro works on a wide range of inflatables, including boats, rafts, paddle boards, pools, and hot tubs. It's perfect for both small rips and larger tears, ensuring a durable and lasting repair. To use, simply deflate the item, clean and dry the damaged area. Apply the sealant, with or without the included cord, and let it cure. It's that easy. AquaPro is water-resistant, UV-resistant, and can withstand both heat and cold. This ensures that the repair will last, no matter the conditions. It offers greater damage resistance and high adhesion. The kit includes a 20 ml tube of sealant and a PVC mesh cord for reinforcement. Please note that it is not suitable for nylon-based materials. The transparent sealant has a shelf life of 2 years. What we like. This kit features a waterproof sealant and includes a reinforcing cord for added strength. It's also saltwater ready, making it perfect for marine applications. If you have an inflatable boat or raft, this kit will provide a reliable and long-lasting repair, especially in a marine environment. What people say. Had a scratch hole on my ISUP, this fixed it perfectly. Easy to use and effective. Excellent product. Easy to apply and has a strong bond. This product saved my inflatable hot tub for another year. This product is liquid so it goes everywhere to get a 100% seal. Repair done more than a year ago and still good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.